Yeah.
Bird horror. Yay, scary game. I swear to God, if you get killed the instant, I think you might want to come back here, bro. Oh God. He fell. What, bro? This is bullshit, bro. Should we go to maps? There's more maps, by the way. There's like many more maps. Fuck. It's a weird map. That's a weird. Okay, come to maps. Come on. Maps. Over here.
Maps.
Over. Behind you. The button. Because there are a bunch of maps. Where should we go?
That was so smooth. Holy. So which one are we going to? Area 51? Yo, I love Area 51.
Ooh.
Here we go.
Okay, let's go to Area 51. Oh, fuck no. I'm gonna put happy music for you guys. Oh, shit. You see them?
Yeah, it's like those old Roblox games, do you remember?
What'd you say?
Area 51 was...
Oh, yeah, I remember that game. Yeah. I always remembered where the shotgun was. You're going first because you're Mr. Fearless.
AK-47 and kept shooting up.
I never knew where the AK-47. I only knew where the auto shotgun was.
Yo, you...
This shit's still scary, bro. This is a complete 1-to-1. Fuck, he's coming. Where is he?
I'm hiding under...
What? How is he in here? Okay, yeah, just go under the table.
Yeah, he can't find us under here like Granny. He's right above our head.
He's still above us. Oh my God. Should we make a run for it?
What if I... Bye-bye.
You're just being chased by him. Hello guys, me and Mr. Cube Engineer here. Wait, what should I call you?
Don't call me anything yet. I'm
What?
alright. Just call me Dot.
Dot. Okay, me and Dot here. Are playing Gorilla. No, not Gorilla. Bird horror. And there are a ton of maps to check out. We're not doing Monkey Marathon or Spider Forest. What are you walking? Huh? Where are you?
I'm right here.
What are you walking on?
Oh, you're just going to the floor. Go to maps. Go to maps. Look at maps.
Okay. We should go to. There's some other cave maze.
Look at what I can do. Whoa.
I don't understand what you're doing. I can do this too. Oh, there's an upstairs, I think.
Is that your cousin?
No,
Chase?
it is not. Okay, I don't know. What map should we do, bro?
I'd say we do Maze.
I don't know.
City. Gmod.
Oh yeah, GM Big City.
But you can't return back.
Okay, we can just rejoin. Where am I?
Where am I?
Oh, there I am.
Oh.
Okay, so I'm going up here. Oh my God, I'm dead. I'm dead. Where are you? Oh. Ugh. Okay. Ah!
Is there someone up there?
Yes! What is that, Tinky Winky? You see that? Where are you?
I'm not up there yet.
Come up here, bro. Just jump up here. Stop trying to pinch climb. Just jump up. Where are you, bro? Look!
What the fuck are you, bro? That's a wall, bro.
I'm turning down my volume. I'm scared to go any closer. Okay, well, should we just rejoin the game?
No, I said we go backwards.
He's coming! Oh!
Got me!
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay, just this time just join DMG. Okay, are you in DMG? What map are you in, bro? Where are you? Oh, there you are. What the fuck? This is not regular canyons.
Yeah.
Should we go down here, bro?
Well, we should follow the arrows.
I don't think I want to go, bro.
Come on.
I'm coming.
Water's fine, bro.
Because we're kind of fucking... I'm leaving.
I hear some things.
Oh my god. Where do we leave?
I hear a lot of things.
Where do I hear the backrooms bacteria? Where do we leave? I think
Yo,
our only
how do we
choice
get
is to
back
go
up?
now, bro.
Where to go? Where do we come from? Where do we go?
Down here.
Okay.
Getting fucking screamed at. God.
Hello there.
Okay, we're back in Port Hort after we got violently eaten to death.
Hello there.
Okay, the city does not look any different.
Why can't I move? Why can't I move?
You're good. Okay, this is not very cool.
Not scary piano playing.
Do not touch that mirror. I see something bad happen if you touch that mirror.
Okay. I'm gonna touch it.
You're gonna
Where'd you
touch
go?
it?
Where'd you go?
Yeah, go touch it, bro. Go touch it. Go touch it.
Where'd you go?
I'm right here. I'm up here. Go touch that mirror, bro. Go touch it.
I'm not touching that, bro. You can touch it all you want, bro.
Go touch it, bro. I dare you.
I need to see what's on.
Just do it before my headset dies.